If you're looking for tools to analyze stocks and find investment opportunities in 2026, you've probably seen ads for Investingpro. The platform promises AI-powered stock picks, fair value analysis, and professional-level financial data that normally costs thousands of dollars per year. But the real question is an Investingpro subscription actually worth it, or is it just another investing platform with big marketing claims? Let's take an honest look. First, Investingpro is a premium research platform created by Investing.com. The goal of the service is to give retail investors access to advanced financial tools that are normally used by professional analysts. Instead of manually analyzing hundreds of financial metrics, the platform organizes large amounts of market data into simple dashboards and insights. One of the biggest features of Investingpro is its AI-powered stock analysis system. The platform analyzes more than 100 financial metrics and decades of historical data to help identify potentially undervalued stocks. It also includes fair value estimates based on multiple valuation models, which try to show whether a stock might be overpriced or undervalued. Another interesting feature is something called ProPicks AI. This tool generates monthly stock ideas based on large datasets and market conditions. According to the company, these AI-driven strategies are designed to outperform traditional market benchmarks by analyzing many fundamental indicators simultaneously. The platform also includes a powerful stock screener, which allows users to filter thousands of global stocks using hundreds of financial metrics. Investors can screen companies by valuation ratios, profitability, growth metrics, dividend yield, and more. For people who enjoy researching companies themselves, this tool can be extremely useful. Another feature many users like is Warren AI, an AI research assistant that lets you ask questions about companies, financial data, or market trends in natural language. The system then searches through financial datasets and provides quick insights across more than 180,000 financial instruments worldwide. In terms of pricing, Investingpro is relatively affordable compared to professional research platforms. Some promotional offers have advertised plans costing under about $9 per month when billed annually, which makes it accessible to retail investors who want advanced tools without paying institutional prices. However, the platform is not perfect, and there are some drawbacks you should know. One criticism from users is that some data or reports may not always be updated as quickly as expected, which can be frustrating for traders who rely on the most current financial information. Users report financial reports can be several months old. Other users also complain about customer service and subscription issues, including difficulties resolving account problems or canceling subscriptions. There's also an important reality about investing platforms. No tool can guarantee profitable trades. Even though AI analysis and stock screening tools can help identify opportunities, successful investing still requires research, risk management, and patience. So, is Investingpro the best investing platform in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on your investing style. If you're someone who enjoys analyzing stocks, comparing financial metrics, and discovering undervalued companies, Investingpro can be a very useful research tool. The combination of AI insights, valuation models, and global stock data can save investors a lot of research time. However, if you're a beginner looking for simple investment advice or automatic portfolio management, the platform may feel overwhelming and may not provide the guidance you're expecting. Overall, Investingpro is best viewed as a research and analysis platform, not a magic tool that guarantees winning investments. If this review helped you decide whether Investingpro is worth trying, let me know in the comments. Would you trust the AI tools to help pick stocks? Or do you prefer doing all your investment research manually?